I will show you how to download all photos from Google Photos to computer. Open your Google Chrome, then click your picture profile. Go to Manage your Google account. Click Data and Privacy. Pay attention in the Apps and Services section. Click this. After that, Google Photos and the number of photos we have appear. Click Download. After that, select Next Step. Then create Export. The file will be sent via your email. After you log into Gmail, you can download the photos.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.